Welcome to the Yukon Project. We bring the insider's perspective on lenders and financial service providers in order to help you make the best decisions for your situation. In this video, we take a deep dive on Navy Federal Credit Union's debt consolidation loans. Let's get started. Navy Federal Credit Union was established in 1933 with just 7 members. Now it's the largest credit union in the world with over 13 million members and nearly $168 billion in assets. They offer the full range of financial services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards and auto loans, student loans, mortgages, personal loans, and more. Unlike banks, credit unions are member-owned nonprofit organizations. That means that their only incentive is to return value back to their members through lower fees, lower interest rates on loans, and higher interest on savings. In order to get a loan with NFCU, you have to be a member of the credit union. You are eligible to join NFCU if you are active duty, retired, or veteran of any branch of the U.S. Armed Forces, Department of Defense employee or contractor, reservist, or an immediate family member of any of the above. Their personal loans range from as little as $250 all the way up to $50,000. The amount they will lend you will depend on your credit worthiness, which is a combination of your credit history, your income, and your current debts. NFCU's lowest stated APR is 8.99%, and their highest is 18%, which is one of the lowest in the industry. If you take a loan that has a term above 36 months, though, the lowest APR you can qualify for is 15.29%. NFCU does not charge an origination fee on their personal loans, but they will charge a fee on late payments. You can take the loan for a term between 6 months and 5 years. But just remember, the longer you take to repay the money, the more interest you will pay, even if the rate is low. If you are consolidating debt, you want to get it paid off as quickly as possible. NFCU does not state a minimum credit score to be approved, but based on the rates they are offering, their loans are likely best suited for people with good to excellent credit. Think 680 and above. That doesn't mean you can't get approved with a lower score. It just means that the odds are lower and you'll likely end up paying a higher rate. You can improve your chances of being approved by adding a cosigner to your loan, but only if that cosigner has a strong credit profile and a low debt-to-income ratio. A cosigner is someone who agrees to be responsible for the debt if you fail to pay. NFCU offers the choice between secured and unsecured personal loans. With a secured loan, you put up collateral, in this case, a savings account or certificate of deposit with NFCU. The benefit is that you may be able to borrow more, get a lower rate, or get approved when you otherwise wouldn't. The downside is that if you fail to repay, they can seize your collateral. An unsecured loan doesn't require collateral, but it will likely come with a higher rate since it's riskier for the lender. If you are using the proceeds of the loan to consolidate other debts, Navy Federal will not pay your other creditors directly. They will deposit the money in your account and you will be responsible for paying off the other debts. Make sure you have a plan for following through and try to avoid the temptation to borrow more than the amount that you need to pay off your other debts. If you are eligible for membership and have good credit, Navy Federal is certainly worth considering for a debt consolidation loan. Their rates are competitive and they don't charge origination fees, which many other lenders do. However, you should always shop around before committing to a loan. Every lender has their own criteria for determining credit worthiness, so the rate you are offered can vary significantly from one lender to the next. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. On our marketplace page, you can apply to one of our premium lenders. Simultaneously, we will check your rate with up to 40 lenders without negatively impacting your credit score. It's a great way to quickly see the options available to you and ensure you're getting the best deal for your situation. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.